There are so many ways to make money online, especially because the World Wide Web is so vast. But despite having so many strategies and methods out there, not all of them work the way that they're supposed to. But that is totally fine because maybe you just haven't found the perfect method for you and you're probably just not aware of how to do these methods correctly. And that is why in today's video, we're bringing you a method that's going to help you make money in the most perfect way possible with the easiest steps to follow so that you won't miss anything at all. And you can make money pronto. It's available worldwide so people from all over the world can participate and earn just like this. It is also completely free so you don't need to make any investments whatsoever and you won't need any skills or experience for this. So literally every single person out there who has the same fair chance. Just make sure you have a phone or a laptop and internet to be able to get started and you're pretty much good to go. We're going to be walking you through today's entire method step by step because we want you guys to catch on fast and earn money properly. So make sure that you watch throughout this whole entire video from start to finish so that you won't get confused about today's method. And make sure that you don't skip a part so you don't miss any important details, because if you do miss important details, then chances are you won't get your desired results. Before we get right into today's video, if it's your first time in the channel, welcome to the Money Shark channel. In this channel, we upload videos on how to make money online so you can try them out for yourself and start making your own money. If you want to be a part of this channel, then don't forget to click the subscribe button down below to be a part of our Making Money Online journey and hit the notification bell beside it to be the first to know whenever we upload a brand new video. Without further ado, let's just get right into the video. Now go ahead and open up creativelive.com and we're going to be teaching you how you can use this website to make thousands of dollars. Now to give you a little rundown on what this website is, let's go through it really quickly. Do what you love. Learn the skills you need to live your dreams in career, hobby, and life. So basically, this website caters to those people who want to train or learn a certain hobby or skill. That's what this website does. If I click on classes right here on top, you're going to see all of the online classes that this website offers, and you can see that there are a lot. There are different channels, different filters, and different collections, different skills, different hobbies, and all that. Now I want you to scroll down to the most bottom part of the page and look for Become an Affiliate, and then click on that. And when you click on that, that should take you to here. Now as you can see, the affiliate program. Make money by connecting your audience to great content. Our affiliate partners serve an audience looking for creative, education, and the ability to earn a living from their craft. Ideal sites focus on online education, photography, crafting, music, business, and training tools. There's a 30% revenue share for new customer sales. You can track it. You can see the sales you generate in real time and track your performance with advanced reporting tools, and you can earn more. Earn commission on all purchases by referred customers within 30 days of the original click. To our newcomers, where are you guys from? We'd love to know, so make sure you comment that down below and let us know what you love about the channel so far. Now let's continue. What is the Creative Live Affiliate Program and how does it work? The affiliate program is a service that allows participating websites to earn commission on sales referred to Creative Live using specially tracked links. We provide you with custom links and banners that you can post on your website. Then when a visitor you referred to us makes a purchase, we'll keep track and give you a commission on the sale. Now, are there any fees? No, there are no fees associated with Creative Live Affiliate Program. It is completely free to participate. Can I become an affiliate if I live outside the United States? Very much so. They accept affiliates from anywhere in the world as long as share sales supports your country of residence. Please keep in mind that all commission payments are currently made in US dollars. So what is your commission rate? We pay a 20% commission rate for new customer purchases, 10% for returning customer purchases, and a $1 lead payout for new registrations. So that's pretty much a summary of the whole website and some of the facts answered for you guys. If you want to learn and read more, you can obviously visit the website yourself and discover and explore it on your own, but those are some of the information that we think should be emphasized since they are huge queries. So now it's time to sign up. If you're enjoying this video so far, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't yet, and hit the notification bell beside it to be notified every time we upload a brand new video. Now let's continue. To begin the registration process, just click on sign up right here, and that should take you to here. As you can read on here, Creative Live was founded in 2010 with the mission to empower creators with powerful new skills and inspiration mentorship. Our free live classes draw tens of thousands of viewers, and our digital catalog of high-quality creative education has taught millions of students, professionals, and artists worldwide. Our affiliate partners serve an audience looking for creative education and the ability to earn a living from their craft. Ideal sites focus on online education, photography, crafting, music, business, and training tools. Some highlights of the Creative Live affiliate program is that there is a 30% commission on new customer purchases, 0% commission on return customer purchases, there is a 30-day tracking cookie, there's a large selection of text links and banners, newsletters with program updates, there are promotions, contests, and incentive opportunities, and dedicated affiliate management team from Acceleration Partners. Now, fill this up and just proceed with the sign-up process like any other sign-up process out there. And once you're all signed up, you now have access to all of the classes. And that looks like this right here. And basically, you're going to have your own affiliate link, and you can get affiliate links of particular classes that you can eventually give out to all of your referrals and earn commission from whatever it is that they pay to the website. Now, twitter.com is the best place to leave your affiliate link for everyone to see because everyone is on Twitter, and surely there are a lot of people on here that want to require certain skills and the like. So just sign up for a free account and then tweet maybe saying if you want to learn how to use Adobe Photoshop. So you're gonna click here or whatever it is that you may be promoting. You also have Quora.com that is also perfect. You just have to look up whatever class you're going to promote. So let's say Adobe Photoshop again. And then there are a lot of questions, referring to Adobe Photoshop, how to use Adobe Photoshop, and such things like that. So you're going to reply to all of the questions that are related to that search with your affiliate link saying that, hey, this is the link that's going to help them or you learned a certain skill. So make sure that you do that, and that is basically everything. And that is it for today's video. If you haven't already, make sure that you leave a like down below to show your love and support for this video. Also, smash that subscribe button down below to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that either. And make sure to click the notification bell beside it to be the first to know when we upload a brand new video on how to make more money online through different methods. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed it, and we will see you in the next one.